Guys, can you please clear the Nanda area?
Or if not, you be there only, it's fine.
It's morning, around 5 a.m. and meditators are leaving to the Nalanda grounds for practice. It's an open ground, big ground, where we do our Shambhavi together. So, let's go. A little bit of walk to the Nalanda ground, but it's a nice walk. And this is one quote I really love, and Sadhguru looks very playful in this. Just show it to you. This is the welcome point. Right now it's a bit dark on the way back, but it will be full of lights. On the way back I'll shoot it again. That is where you can take your vibhuti from. We have reached the ground. This is where the practices happen every day morning now, where all of us meditators sit together and do our Shambhavi, which is a practice taught in inner engineering. The practice started when it was dark, and now when it got over, Agilana, how is the practice in the cold weather? Very nice, huh? Yeah. Have you done practices on an open ground before?
No. From past 2 days I'm doing here. And it was really good.
Okay.
Namaskaram, my name is Narendra. Practice at Nalanda ground is really good in open area. It's really peaceful, like in between trees.
Tell the truth, isn't it too cold over here?
From 2 days I'm feeling, but today I don't feel much cold, and it's very good to see that mountain here. You know, after doing Shambhavi, slowly I'm opening my eyes, and it's really good feeling that I'm experiencing here, and having looked at that mountain is also awesome.
That is true actually.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have 3 meditators. Yes, Abhijit Anna, how was your experience?
It was very pleasant.
Don't fake it, tell the truth.
I'm not faking it. It was very pleasant. It was a life-changing experience over here.
One day sadhana only life changed. Very good.
My experience is fine. My feet got burnt, and I have so much pain in my feet. I am first time walking barefooted like this, and it is amazing. Food is extremely amazing. Yesterday's Ekadashi, I only ate only fruits, and I'm just feeling it like crazy. I'm eyes closed and eating. So it is totally
How is that?
fun.
How is the tummy? Has it grown 1 kilo or reduced?
I think it is reducing.
What about Rushikana?
Namaskaram. So I attended the Guru Puja only in the morning. I had my volunteering work, so I've been doing some email volunteering. And like before coming to ashram, I used to sleep 7 to 8 hours a day easily. And these days I'm surviving on 4.5 hours, and I can't sleep. I mean, even if I lie down that with an intention to sleep, I cannot sleep. So I think the regular Hatha Yoga practices are paying off in terms of the body feeling that energy. And regular dips at Surya Kund are happening. Even you had come by Suvanna yesterday. So it's I mean, whatever you keep hearing from Vaisuvanna and other influencers across different platforms, those things I'm experiencing.
And soon Rushikana also. Okay, Anna. सही है. Hey, Real Queen, what's up?
Good morning.
Good morning. So I'm near the temple. I will go to Surya Kund to do my remaining practices. So daily morning in front of Nandi, people are doing their practices. This is yesterday's Adiyogi Ratham, which the Padayatra devotees had bought. Let's take some time to look at this beautiful pond. I'll show you the top view. I hope my phone doesn't fall in the pond. Then the frogs will have a good iPhone for dinner. Sorry, for breakfast. Here, food, the time for food is known as dining, so I'm confusing breakfast with dinner and keeping on saying that. So we also have a stall over here where you can buy Rudraksh and other Isha Shoppy goods. Also I will be taking you guys tour of the real Isha Life store here in the ashram, the big one, the awesome one. This is the Sadguru Sannidhi. So this is a tool that Sadguru offers, which you can bring your home. So it is very good. It consecrates your place, your home, and doing your presence in front of Sannidhi is just like doing your practice at home. So yep. So now I have to find a spot for myself. Let's go around. I think this looks like a decent spot. Or let me show you guys the Surya Kund, and then I'll do my practices. Just one thing I would like to say, video shooting is not recommended at all at the ashram. You are supposed to be in the space. So I have a special tag which allows me to show you guys all around. But when you come to the ashram, it is better to use your phone to the least and focus on your sadhana and the practices. So this is where Yaksha happens. Today will be the last day because tomorrow is Mahashivratri. And yep, this is the Surya Kund. I'll show it to you guys. So it costs 20 rupees. You need to pay 20 rupees over there. I'll show you. You need to pay 20 rupees in front of the Surya Kund. They will give you a towel. You can use that. So you take a bath from here. Inside, I'm not going to show you the washroom. So from there you go here. We'll follow this Anna. So okay, he's taking his time to take a dip, I think. Or maybe he's taking the Adi Yogi Pradakshinam, so you won't take a dip. So you directly take a dip there. Touch the first linga. You can touch the first linga. Then there is a huge waterfall. So you go under that waterfall, stay for some time. It's very hard to stay under that. Then you come to the second linga. And then there is a third linga over here. You go, you can hug the linga, you can touch it, you come, and then you again come back, go to the washroom, take your clothes, and then if you want, you can come to this place. You can offer a lamp. Oh, I exactly forgot the name of this place, of this spot. But here they usually keep an offering where you can offer a lamp. So you can offer that. So we will see the Shivanga devotees going over there. I love to do my practices over here. It's so intense. So intense. This is the thing that touched me the most when I came to the ashram. Like so many people doing their sadhana. It's very beautiful. Very intense. I'm going to give you a pro tip. In case you're doing your practices over here, choose the spot behind a pillar over here. Because when the sun rises, it actually gets very hot with the sunrise. But if you're a hardcore yogi, definitely you can be like this Anna sitting over here. So sadhana is over. Now I have Sakshika who will be helping me with the camera work. So personal D-Rock this time. So let's see if Sakshika has come back and we'll just give her the equipment and shoot some awesome videos, I hope. Okay, finally I get some lazy Kerala volunteers.
ഹായ് നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് രമ്യ. ഞാൻ ആലപ്പുഴ ഇഷ വോളണ്ടിയറാണ്. ഞാൻ മഹാശിവരാത്രിക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഇഷയിലുണ്ട്. എൻ്റെ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് പന്ത ഹാളിൽ ഡൈനിങ് ആണ്. ആക്ടിവിറ്റി നല്ല സൂപ്പറാണ്. കാലൊക്കെ വേദന എടുത്ത് വയ്യ, എന്നാലും ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷമാണ്. മഹാശിവരാത്രി വോളണ്ടിയർ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് വളരെ ഭാഗ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ കരുതുന്നത്. വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. ശിവരാത്രി കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ഒരു പരുവമാവും, എന്നാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. വളരെ സന്തോഷം. താങ്ക് യു. നമസ്കാരം.
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് വിഷ്ണു. ഞാൻ ട്രിവാൻഡ്രത്തു നിന്നാണ്. ഇവിടെ ശിവരാത്രി വോളണ്ടിയറിംഗ് ആയിട്ട് 3-ാം തീയതി എത്തി. അപ്പോൾ ഡൈനിങ് ടീമിലാണ് വോളണ്ടിയറിംഗ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആദ്യം ആദിയോഗി ആലയത്തിലായിരുന്നു, പിന്നെ നളന്ദ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിലായി. നളന്ദ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിലേക്ക് പോയപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നല്ല വെയിലും കുറേ നടപ്പുമൊക്കെ നല്ല വേദനയുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ആദ്യത്തെ ദിവസമൊന്നും കുഴപ്പമില്ലായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ 3-4 ദിവസമായപ്പോൾ കാലിൻ്റെ ഉപ്പൂറ്റിയൊക്കെ നല്ല വേദന എടുത്ത് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ എന്നാലും ഈ ടെമ്പിളിൽ പോകാനും ധ്യാനലിംഗയിൽ നമുക്ക് സമയം കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ പോകാനും ഒക്കെ കിട്ടുന്നത് വളരെ സന്തോഷമാണ്. പിന്നെ ഇന്നും നാളെയും എന്താണ് അവസ്ഥയെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. ശിവരാത്രി വരുന്നവരും പണി കൂടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് ആക്ച്വലി. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയത്തില്ല. പിന്നെ ഇതിന് ശേഷം ഇനി ശിവാംഗ ട്രെക്കിങ്ങും കൂടി ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് അവസ്ഥയെന്ന് എനിക്ക് കണ്ടറിയാം. എന്തായാലും നന്നായിട്ട് പോകുന്നു. ഈ ആംബിയൻസിൽ നിൽക്കാൻ പറ്റിയതിൽ വളരെ അടിപൊളിയാണ്, സന്തോഷമാണ്.
അതെ, 11th വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും. 11th സദ്ഗുരുവിനോടൊപ്പം ഓൺലൈനിൽ മഹാശിവരാത്രി തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും കാണുക. നമസ്കാരം.
Okay, I have my pretty camera woman today, all dressed up. Are you ready to be the D-Rock for today? What? Yes, peace out, peace out.
Yes.
So we are very hungry, but before that I wanted to show you the Rally for Rivers campaign. And as a part of it, Sadhguru has started Kaveri College. So if you can come. So you can stand here, take a picture and post it on your social media profiles also. And yes, you can also make a donation over here. Can you show this? Can you show this? Zoom in? Zoom in here. So we have Isha Vidya also.
Yes.
Which is, you're getting it right? Hey, you know to talk better about Isha Vidya? You know to talk about... Akka, can you say something about Isha Vidya? You're just from India.
Anna, I can say in Hindi or
Yes, Hindi. Go nearer, no? Otherwise mic.
किसको वैसे
किसी को भी जो भी आप देख रहे हो.
किसके बारे में
General information.
General information. Can you talk about like what is this gift a rural child a future?
your knowledge.
Acha nahi hai. Oh, okay, no worries. Let's read this.
Just I'm volunteer.
Oh, okay. So this is the truth. We are doing our best. So in my knowledge, this is, let's see, we'll read this. Isha Vidya presently runs 10 schools in rural Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh with 8,523 children. 60% of them are studying under scholarship and most of them are first generation learners. Oh, okay. And yes, you can check more of the details on the Isha Vidya website. So this was an initiative started by Sadhguru because, yeah, now I remember. I actually forgot. I was like, what is Isha Vidya? But now I remember. So what Sadhguru wants is like, in the villages and all, these kids are actually the first time school goers. That means that no one in their family has ever gone to school before. And right now we know education and knowing the English language is very important for them to come out of the kind of situations they are in. So these are very beautiful children, and definitely I also will visit Isha Vidya schools. We run marathons for them, and Sadhguru, there's this beautiful thing that Sadhguru says, these kids should grow up in such a way that someone, they should be so confident, like they should know that someone who doesn't even know about them are willing to support them, and they should go with such trust in humanity. So if you wish to contribute for Isha Vidya, you can go to ishavidya.com and you can make a donation. Okay guys, we are at Pepper and Wine. We are feeling a bit hungry before the shoot. So this is my GoPro gimbal. I'm just holding it just to show that I'm professional, but I won't be using it much. It will be mostly Sakshika shooting in the mobile. So let's check what's the menu at Pepper and Wine. Sandwich with chips is my favorite. We have bread butter jam, watermelon, mango millet shake. Mango milkshake. Oh, sorry, milkshake. Tea, coffee, boost, milk, and organic jaggery. So, what do you want, Sakshika?
Coffee.
Only coffee. Yeah? Pepper and Wine needs to have more change. Ordering like that.
What you ordered?
Mango milkshake and vada. Milkshake. Team Mystics of India, this needs to come. I don't care whether the other footage or not comes, this has to come. My food review on Mystics of India channel. Or else I'll have to put it on my own page. So again, vada review. But instead of vada, we'll do something very special. The mango milkshake of pepper and white. See, you have to wipe it from your lips like that. It's that tasty. It's actually very tasty, I'm not kidding. And then a little bit of vada. Mix it with chutney. Sakshika is feeling so hungry, but she's only having coffee. So give coffee review.
Coffee is good.
You didn't even drink.
I had it.
Drink again. Drink again for the audience.
It's good. Gary, say something. Please sit in.
How long have you been here?
I came on 7th. 7th I am from Gurgaon. So, North India, Punjabi. Come to Delhi sometime. Delhi you come.
Delhi, I have visited 2 or 3 times.
You come, I'll make chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani will finally get it.
Biryani. Yes, chicken, mutton, but I don't eat now. Turned from a hardcore non-vegetarian to complete South.
So this is the lady who irritates me the most in Ashram.
I'm his fan. He's a YouTuber.
Mystics of India channel. Right? Mystics of India channel. Can you please put 2 horns? Devil-like horns for this Akka Harshita. Akka.
Why are you bad marketing me? No, I'm very nice.
1 million subscribers they have. Now you will have horns on their channel.
They know me.
Please, Avina and Shashank, please do this for me.
I'll also wear my mask. You don't know me anymore.
Okay.
So, are you seriously shooting with
Yes.
me?
Yeah.
Hi. We're doing good.
This Akka is laughing on the side. Please shoot her.
Hey, stop stalking pretty Akras. What's wrong with you? These
only
YouTubers, after they get famous,
Yeah.
सर पर चढ़ जाती है.
सर पर चढ़ जाती. कौन चढ़ जाती है? कोई चढ़ नहीं जा रही है.
फिर क्या होता है?
सर पे चढ़ने के लिए भी कोई नहीं है.
फिर क्या होता है?
चढ़ जा रहा है.
हाँ चढ़ जा रहा है.
Everything is female for you only, na?
My feminine is very strong.
My feminine is very strong. My feminine.
हाँ.
Who's your feminine?
My feminine. My Vaishali is very strong. That's my alter ego.
It's visible. What about your masculine? Nothing is happening there.
Let's go enough Sakshika. जैसे 1 month back I did Yes, Namaskaram Anna. What's up Vikas Anna? How are you?
I am fit and fine, Anna.
Good. I'm just shooting some footage. Yeah. Namaskaram Anna.
What's on play?
Huh? It's on. I'm just shooting that. I'll edit it. How is things going? Okay, because that video is not with me actually. That I think one Anna took. I don't know who took that jumping footage you wanted, no? Yeah.
So please,
I'll check
then
it.
you receive. Then you.
Yes. Okay, Anna. See.
Okay. You are in guest media category.
Yes, media. Yeah.
Vaishaka Sabu, I think.
Vaishak Sabu, yeah.
I see your video.
Oh, thank you. Okay, Anna. See you around.
Thank you.
So this is the pepper and wine. Yes. Masala dosha. Yes.
And I have bought it for you guys first to eat.
Arey, eat no. No, I will be the D-Rock for some time.
आप देखकर आपने खुद खोला आपको मैं बताती हूँ.
Content creation tutorial by Sakshika.
अभी ये जो देख रहे हो ना, सपोज नॉट दिस वन, एनीथिंग लाइक दिस, ये जो देख रहे हो ना,
ये वाला?
हाँ ये सब
Okay.
इसका ट्यूटोरियल.
Apart from that?
It's like impression is for design only, for design purpose, like graphic designing, fire and all.
So, वो वाला चीज I wanted to learn.
So look who's here. We have our very own homegrown rapper. How are you, Anna?
I'm good, Anna. How are you?
Great, great, great. So are you performing for Mahashivratri this time?
Not in Mahashivratri, but I'm doing for Divya Darshan and all.
Oh, great. So where can we follow you?
You can follow me on Instagram, YouTube. So
fan moment. Yes, now you know the rapper. This lady, we need to kill her, Anna. We need to finish it.
Mr. Celebrity.
You made him so. Okay, thank you, Anna. Okay, I think Sadhguru is coming this way, so we'll just wait for him.
No video.
Team. It's okay, that's Ruchita 9.
7840. What's the name of the? Any symptoms?
No.
96.2. Just a bit. Yeah, see पीछे. पता है क्यों?
We are changing tags every 3 days for people to check that they do not have any symptoms. Okay. Starting with Nilavembu Kashayam for immunity.
Yeah, I need to get glass.
Okay. You can drink. We have dessert also. Okay. Okay. No watermelon?
No watermelon.
Okay, then I'll go take and come.
Yes.
So today what all we have?
We have, I don't know what is this.
That is sambar, of course.
No.
Sambar.
Okay. Potato, groundnut, soaked groundnut. This is
the main dish, paisam. What? And of course watermelon which Sakshika didn't take.
buttermilk.
Oh yes. What do you call it in Hindi? Chance.
Daily bee. Daily bee, Vaishak. Daily bee, Vaishak.
Priyadarshini akka also.
No, not like this.
Sakshika taking charge of the buttermilk counter, pitching in from guest media team.
So we are going to show you the Akshaya Patra, that is where the food is made. So on the road, can you see this? Can you show them this? This is the track where only bikes.
Bicycles.
Bicycles. Akshaya is telling. Yeah, please tell. Bicycles.
Bicycles and electric.
See one Anna going on the bicycle. Shoot it. And see, we have this scooters coming. So people are not, hit and killed. No road rash in Ashram.
Chalo.
Okay, so me and Sakshak are on the way to Bhiksha Hall. Not Bhiksha Hall. We are going to. Where are we going to? Akshaya Patra. So this is the way. Sadhguru Court.
Last year they had different one.
Yeah, last year it was, I think, standing with the.
No, it was about
athletics. What tell again? It was about? No. I think we can show the stall also, where people get normal stuff. We have our dear Gajendra Anna with us. Can you show your face for a moment and then we can put on the mask again? Here's our dear Gajendra Anna. So please Anna, where are you from and which volunteering department are you? And tell the truth, how are you struggling at the volunteering activities? Please take it.
Namaskaram. My name is Gajendra and I am from Madhya Pradesh. And I am in Devi Mahayatra, so I am not struggling. All the struggles Devi take care of it.
That's it?
Yeah.
So एक meme बोलो. It's an awesome memer. Instagram channel बोलो.
Okay, the Instagram handle is Gajendra256 and I have one line for Vesu Anna. The only thing coming between Vesu Anna and enlightenment is biryani and chocolate.
ये मेरा channel है Mystics of India के लिए, तो subscribe to Mystics of India.
Subscribe to Mystics of India channel as well. Namaskaram.
To show you the Bhiksha Hall today.
Start now.
Yeah.
Okay, now start.
So guys, we are going to show you the. Did you get that? Did you get him doing that?
Yes.
Good. Don't cut it then. So we are going to the Bhiksha Hall. We are going to show you the ground floor and also the upper floor. Let's go inside.
Vegetables.
Ground floor. Can you see the vegetables? Let me shoot some with my GoPro also. So as you can see, we have the entire vegetables kept over here. Can you see the big watermelons? Yeah. I think what happens is when you go for this soon, no, it will become dark. So use 1x only inside dark areas.
Okay.
Because when it goes 0.9, it becomes that lighting. Okay, come on. So all the vegetables are washed over here. I think they are diced. And
then what?
Huh?
Then what?
So bananas. A lot of bananas, organic bananas. Now I want to show you guys something very special. Here, the place that we use, it goes through a steaming process to, I was going to say delete all germs, to destroy all the germs. So let's go see that.
Where is it? Oh.
So what we do is we bring the plates over here and all the glasses, we arrange this in one row over here. And what we do is, this machine, you can just arrange the plates over here, tuck. And then it goes.
Tuck.
And it comes over here, fully disinfected. So this is the awesome thing. I haven't seen this machine anywhere else. Maybe it's available, but this is there in the Isha Yoga Center. High-tech equipment. Huh? Yeah. So now let's go have some lime juice. One Akka is giving lime juice or whatever you want.
Yes. What about you, Shunya?
Yeah, Shunya, it's okay. Lime juice. Sakshaka, go.
You can have the Shunya.
Huh?
Lime juice while doing Shunya.
Lime juice?
Lime juice and Shunya.
Lime juice and Shunya. Okay, lime juice and Shunya.
No. Like you're going to do Shunya, but it needs empty.
That's okay. This is after 1.5 hours only I'll do Shunya. Yes, take lime juice from take a hot lime. For all the hard-working volunteers, hot lime. We are just from the immediate team, Akka. We are just shooting videos of half a glass, Akka. For me, half a glass. Show you where we wash our plates once we are done with it. Hey, don't go so fast here, let me go.
You want to walk first. I have to walk first.
Everyone walks fast over here. This is a place, fun fact, this is a place when I first came to Isha Yoga Center, I got scolded by one Akka because I was wasting water. And in Isha Yoga Center, we use Vim. Is it Vim?
EXO.
Acha, EXO. EXO is the brand. Acha, EXO. This is shout out to EXO from MOI channel. अब तो paid promotion देना पड़ेगा. EXO has to pay.
Done.
Okay. Now I will wash. Top floor of Big Shower.
Again.
Okay. We are going to check the top floor of Big Shower. There are two entrances, one from this side and on the opposite side also you can go. So maybe we'll go from here and get down the other side.
Yeah.
Don't fall down. Look at the step and no, enough. Shower. Welcome to Isha Big Shower. Okay, so this is where we usually eat when it's not Mahashivratri. This is where we sit on the floor and we, the volunteers serve, volunteers eat, everyone eats together on the floor. And now it has been divided into two. So I think nowadays some candlelight dinner is happening daily. Places like that. And this is the other exit or entrance. So we can get down from here.
Yes.
Now we'll take you to a secret place, the departmental store. Okay, so the main event, Dhyanlinga departmental store, opened from 12 PM. What? Highlight event. Something is missing. Okay, whatever. Maybe I think it's from 12 PM to maybe 7:30 or 8:30, I guess. Yeah. So since we didn't shoot the inside of departmental store, but just to get you the idea of what all is available, chips. And we have double rod. Yes, Sakshi Akka bought now.
No.
No, liar. You only bought those. And we have Choco Lush. And this is a special kind of laddu. Come close. It's called a rose laddu. Vishruti gave this to me first. It's very nice. So we bought this. And something. So why I bought all this stuff is tomorrow I will be behind the scenes with Tejas Anna, doing some live, the Mahashivratri will be going live across multiple channels and multiple YouTube platforms, Facebook. So we don't want to remain hungry. So that is this packet is for me, huh? And now we'll check what Sakshi Akka has got. Choco Lush. Why you would want all this?
For eating.
Eating. Yes, Sakshi Akka has decided to gain some weight. And of course, we are being promoted by Virat Kohli himself.
Eggy stick.
Eggy sticks. I love eggy. Oh, sorry, it's veggie, not eggy.
Done.
Hey guys, so finally we are going to see Akshaya. This is where all the food for the entire Isha Yoga Center, the volunteers are happening. Even for Mahashivratri, the Maha Annadanam, the food is gonna come from here. I just saw it before this video, but I thought let's do it as we see it, so let's go. We have oil. Oil comes from my it going? All high-tech equipment. Green gram, groundnut, idli, kodo millet, foxtail, little millet, tur dal, mung dal. Oh, all awesome! This is food factory of Isha. We have a coconut grinder, but don't know where that Anna went. Maybe if he comes back, we'll shoot a video. We'll go there. So I think all the curry, gravy, everything is here. I am spellbound. I don't know what all these equipment are. They look really high tech.
Anna, how are you feeling?
Feeling awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, idli making machine.
Oh, wow. What is this?
I have no idea. So, Mystics of India team, please reach out to the ashram, ask for what all these stuff are, and put it. This I know. This is the dosha making equipment. Dosha. You got the steam?
No, now I
Yeah, take it, take it. Now we'll have a steam bath. First, let's see Akkas, what Akkas are making. Grinding, show that. Let's show like this. Done. Yes, take Anna, take Anna. Show Akka's cooking.
What are you
Pace and dairy cooking, Akka.
Sorry?
Pace and dairy cooking.
Basin dairy cooking.
Okay.
So we have a small kitchen inside Akshaya only. Small kitchen inside big kitchen.
Sukku coffee.
We get to see halwa.
Is this ragi halwa?
Ragi halwa.
गेहूं के आटे का हलवा.
Say now what is गेहूं का आटा for the audience?
गेहूं का आटा. Wheat flour.
Wheat flour.
Yeah.
This is a big chapati making machine. Show it, show it. also have cake.
Oh wow.
See, everything is cooked in Akshaya Patra, from all the organic foods to even awesome cake.
Positive pranic food.
Okay, positive pranic, positive pranic. What will you shoot? We're shooting now.
MSR volunteers.
Namaskaram Anna. How is the bean cutting going on? Simaka, how is the carrot cutting going?
Awesome. See, there's a lot of them.
Oh.
We have to do all this.
So how long will it take?
I don't know.
Anna, chapati making machine. This is a big chapati making machine. Show it, show it. Cake, Anna. We also have cake. Oh. See, everything is cooked in Akshaya Patra, from all the organic foods to even awesome cake.
Positive pranic.
Okay, positive pranic, positive pranic. So now we are going to check how to wash our hands before any volunteer starts cutting vegetables or anything. They need to follow this. So first you wet your hand. Sakshika had made me reshoot this. I have already washed once. So if I am going fast, just understand that this is a reshoot. So then we take a little bit of soap. You do like this. Rotate, rotate. Between the fingers. And then like this. And then around your thumb. And yeah, it's only 20-30 seconds, but I have already washed my hand before, so. Peace out. We are going out. Okay, we are going out. Now anyone who comes here needs to sign out and sign in, so Sakshika is going to sign out.
Come fast.
Oh, is it? You also? Ah, yes.
Time.
Time is 4:70.
Shalai. Namaskaram.
नमस्कार अक्का.
तुझ्याबद्दल थोडंसं सांग ना.
मी कॉलेज ड्रॉपआउट आहे. मी 1 वर्ष झालं ईशा योगाचं इनर इंजिनिअरिंगपासून स्टार्ट केलं. त्यानंतर खूप आणि पुढचे ॲडव्हान्स प्रोग्राम तर नाही हाटी योगा प्रोग्राम्स केले आणि 1 वर्ष खूप चेंजेस झालेत. म्हणजे MSR व्हॉलेंटिअरिंग मी मागच्या वर्षी पण आलेलो आणि ह्या वर्षी परत आलो आहे. MSR व्हॉलेंटिअरिंग हा खूप वेगळाच एक्सपिरियन्स असतो नॉर्मल टाईमपेक्षा. म्हणजे इकडे त्यावेळी आता साधना पण खूप इंटेन्स झालेली आहे आणि त्यानंतर व्हॉलेंटिअरिंग तर डिफरंट लेवलवरच असतं. म्हणजे मी इमॅजिन केलं नव्हतं की मी फक्त 4-5 तास झोपवर पण आरामात इकडे.
I was about to ask that. पकड. आणि डायनिंग तुला कोणती ॲक्टिव्हिटी भेटली इकडे?
मला आय हॅव गॉट अक्षयामध्ये फूड शिफ्टिंग अँड युटेन्सिल शिफ्टिंग अँड फूड वॉशिंग अँड शिफ्टिंग अँड ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन ऑफ ऑल दिस. स्ट्रगल्स इतना हे फक्त फिजिकली इंटेन्स आहे. स्ट्रगल असं काही नाही आहे. बाकी साधनापादाचे सगळे अन्न भेटलेत त्यांच्याबरोबर सगळं मी मिक्स झालेलं आहे व्यवस्थित. असं काही स्ट्रगल तर काय मला एक्सपिरियन्स झालेलं आहे. पूर्ण मज्जाच येते.
have dear Manu Anna who is doing the shifting work. Take him, no, take him. Go.
യെസ് മനുവണ്ണ ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ നടന്നാൽ മതിയോ? എത്ര ദിവസമായി തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് ഈ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി?
തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് ഒരാഴ്ചയോളം നമ്മൾ ഷിഫ്റ്റിങ്ങിലാണ്. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞോ?
ഒരാഴ്ചയോളം നമ്മൾ ഷിഫ്റ്റിങ്ങിലായിരുന്നു. അപ്പം ഇവിടെ കുറച്ച് ഫിസിക്കലിയൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ വർക്കെല്ലാം ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ വരുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഓടി വരുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഓക്കെ. ഫിസിക്കലെല്ലാം നമ്മളിവിടെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരുപാട് പേര് കുറേ ടീമുകളുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോൾ വെളിയിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മളെ ഇവിടെ പയ്യന്മാരുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അവരോട് കൂടുതൽ വർക്കുകൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത് നമ്മളവർ സൂപ്പർവൈസ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് നമ്മളും കൂടെ ഒന്ന് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. പിന്നെ നല്ല രസമാണ് ഇവിടെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ.
Okay, Namaskaram. We are going to see the map of Isha Yoga Center. So this is the Adi Yogi where all of us come start. Then we go here the famous Mondrampurai, Darpavasal. From here you can come take a dip in Suryakund for men. From here we walk. There's a washroom also over here for men and women. We come over here Nandi. And this is the Dhyanlinga temple. But through the side we can go. So from there we see Devi. We can take a round, come here, and of course our very famous pepper and wine. And then Isha Shopi. This is security department. There's two ways you can come to Adi Yogi Alayam here. Or if you go here, you reach the welcome point, and also from this side you can come to Adi Yogi Alayam. Then if you go straight, this is the Spanda Hall. This is where I did my Bhava Spandana. This is where I did Shunya. Then there are Alayam cottages, Nadi cottages. The Nirkaya Sthanam where where we do the processes for the people who have passed away. There's the big Nalanda grounds. And yeah, this is the Nalanda stay. The Nalanda Nadi, these are the stay areas for people who come from outside, participants and all. And why is Sakshi Akka bending like this? You need more height. And of course our very famous Bhiksha Hall. There we have food. And yeah, that's about it. Matumane, yes, the Gaushala where our the cows of India, various breeds are kept over here. It's very beautiful. You can go there. They'll come to you. You can feed them. I think you can feed them some bananas or something from the ashram. Yep.
Okay, done.
So we have a tiger kept over there. That is to scare off the monkeys. But the tiger has become very white after a very long time.
Done.
Yeah. So we are going for the last day of Yaksha. So we'll go like that through the side of Suryakund, and then we'll have fun.
Pause.
Continue. We can take a little bit of walking. Vlog, Sakshi Akka. Why you pause? I hope you don't trip and fall. Okay, there is a barricade. Otherwise, we could have gone to see Save the Weed. I think maybe with this, I do not know. Security is there. Let me just go check with them.
I'll just check.
Yes. So how is? Hey, you watched Yaksha yesterday, no? How was it?
It was amazing.
Acha.
They were doing Jugalbandi, dissing each other.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, missed it.
It was quite good.
First row? I don't know how it is. Where is Dhritarashtra? Where? Dhritarashtra. So we shot with this Anna, but here he is leaving his job and coming to see Yaksha.
Yes, for seeing Sadhguru.
Where is he?
From here maybe you can shoot Sadhguru coming. Stand there.
We'll go from that side.
Go from that side, huh? Come on, then let's go inside. Let's see if we can shoot. What, Anna?
न चंद्रा न नेत्रे न जव्यो न भूमि न तेजो न वायु चिदानंद रूप शिवोऽहम्
Chandanaka. How is Yaksha going?
Yaksha is amazing.
Did you see last 2 days?
Huh?
Did you see the last 2 days or first day today?
No, last 2 days also.
How is it?
Simply superb. The first day, it's good. But second day, Sandeep Narayan, he was like amazing. He was Sadhguru is here.
Shivoham, Shivoham,
E-media is not allowing us anywhere near Sadhguru, so we'll see like this. Okay, it's 7:53 p.m. Dining starts at 7 p.m. and we have 2 sections, spicy and non-spicy. So this is the non-spicy section for people who cannot, who are more into sadhana and cannot eat chilies. So yes, Praginchana, please show them. And here we have Praginchana doing some awesome drone footage.
So how is it, Gajendra Ratna?
Very tasty.
Very tasty. Okay. So why do you choose to eat non-spicy every day?
Why are you not eating spicy?
Yeah.
I can't eat spicy. I'm not like you. Food is awesome. Sweet is also good.
So this is where all the people come. This is where it is most rushy. This is the spicy section. Praginchana, shoot the spicy food of Isha.
Namaskaram Anna. They are having spicy food.
Yes.
Yes, how is it?
It's spicy.
Spicy.
Spicy and pranic.
Spicy and pranic both.
Yeah.
How?
So here they are using this peppercorns.
Okay.
Which is highly pranic.
Okay.
And they are using red chilies.
Red chilies.
And both are amazing. With this rice. What is it called? Tomato rice.
Show it to me now. Show it to me. If the video looks awkward because we shot one shot and we didn't get it, so we are just
so we are doing it again.
Reshoot. So we are trying to look natural. So we are going to again make him taste the paisam. Please taste the paisam and show your expression.
This is halwa.
Halwa.
Yeah, this is halwa. Okay. Second expression.
Please over exaggerate. Sahi hai. Dasu.
Amazing. No, but truly amazing. I'm not over exaggerating. Yeah, maybe little bit.
Now, where are you from?
I'm from Varanasi. My name is Ashwani. And I'm here since almost 1.5 years.
Okay, where are you volunteering? Where are you volunteering, Anna?
Right now I'm in clinic, and he's our doctor, lead doctor.
Oh, is it?
Yes. I know him. He treated me for chickenpox, but now his hairs are short. That's why I couldn't recognize him. Before Samyama, he treated me.
Right.
Yeah.
And what about that, Anna?
Yes, Anna.
He's our very what to say?
Actually, came for Sadhana Padana.
Yeah. So he was also there during quarantine areas. He was also supporting in clinic.
So both of them, they were supporting the quarantine area, when there was lockdown. So these two people were one among few people among very few people who were supporting the isolation team.
So are you really from the medical background?
No.
Everybody get to do everything.
Oh, yeah. That's about the voluntary.
Yes.
Great to hear you, Anna. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.
My friend will run away.
That's why I'm shooting only you now.
Why are you seriously shooting?
You embarrass me every time.
Oh,
YouTuber.
Yeah.
Oh, YouTuber.
I don't do it in front of them.
So we see Pragyan Chana doing his Shiva Namaskar before dinner. This is what the major time of volunteers go. Just like activity is sadhana.
Shiva.
This is Shivanga. I think, or maybe Mahashivratri sadhana.
So I was just talking to Vaisakanna and I told him that, can you see some red thing?
It's over there.
So he was not able to recognize what is it. Then I finally showed him and I showed to you also. So this is the range of Veliangiri, and as you can see, there are fires. These are forest fires. These are usually catch due to like the heat, as it is summer season, so it usually happens. And I saw it the last time at the lap of the masters, and I felt like the whole of the mountain is burning. So yeah, don't if you are trekking mountain, don't leave anything that is flammable. Namaskar. में कोई कुछ नहीं चलेगा। वैशाख भैया हमेशा फंस जाते हैं। So we are going to Adiyogi one night before Mahashivratri. Tomorrow at this time we would be partying and celebrating like anything, and midnight meditation would be happening. And the best thing, there is no VFX, nor do Vaisakanna uses. So if you can see in the sky, lightning is happening. I think it could rain. I'm not sure, but it looks like VFX. How Isha uses in their video.
Oi, Mystics of India, raw content डालना, इसमें edit मत करना.
See how beautiful it is. Adiyogi. And finally, after 1 year, we are going to see the Divya Darshanam. It would be magic. Like it feels like Shiva is really there. It would be really great to see the lights and everything. Adiyogi. And you can hear the sound.
आज ही सो ही नहीं.
कोई नहीं सोएगा. If you snooze, you lose.
अरे वो अन्ना बाइक लेके चले गया, मैं भी रोको अन्ना रोको, लिफ्ट लिफ्ट।
ओके, थैंक यू।
Just remove those barricading that is ऑफ टू मध्ये कीबोर्ड दे थोडा. ओके ओके, ढोलक मध्ये पण आहे. ओके, ऑल कॅमेराज ओके.
What about these sizes?
Just look at the amount of equipment, people, it's going crazy. I'm wondering how the program is going to happen tomorrow, but it always is like this, I think. In the end, everything fits into a perfect rhythm, sync.
Sanskriti children practicing their stuff. And tomorrow's match is going to be the final. Preparations are going on.
तांत्रिक भाई आप सीट दिखाएंगे, सीट अरेंजमेंट.
Seat arrangement, we'll see the seat arrangement also. Different bays. Let's see. Different bays. Screens. It's quite large. It's really huge screen.
No matter where you are,
you're gonna see Mahashivratri.
let me show them relative size of the
Yeah,
stand.
now you'll get to know.
Or I am someone who is 10 feet 10 inch tall.
As I'm shooting from down, the seating arrangement, quite a quarantine seating arrangement with the distances at this pandemic times. Such beautiful arrangement with grace of Sadguru.
I think we'll go and shoot a little bit.
Yes, yeah. Yes, Vaisak bhaiya, bataiye.
So this is, I think, Isha provides free, medical service to people in rural areas who are not able to afford medical services. So this is the van that has all the necessary medicines, trained doctors, and they go from village to village.
I think it's written Isha Arogya.
Yeah, Isha free clinic.
Yeah, this A1 Arogya. So there has been many medical points been set up. The different bays are going to be arranged. They're on work. The final preparation before Mahashivratri.
Okay, many people wonder like if some emergencies happen, so what do? We have a lot of medical help available. Doctors will be there, and one of the main questions is water points. There will be a lot of water points.
All water points being set up. So you can see.
We also have a lot of washrooms for gents and women. Everything is provided. So even if it's 10 lakh people like last time, or if it's like maybe 20-30,000 people, it's all well arranged. Yeah. Okay, that's it.
But one disappointing thing this time I came to know is, I'm not sure, is that we won't be having food stalls from outside places. Last time there was awesome food stall and all, but this time because of COVID restrictions and less number of people, we will only be having the Maha Annadhanam. So Pragenshana, snacks आज ध्यान लिंगा स्टोर से कुछ खरीद के रखना.
See the beautiful arrangement, the magnificent, gigantic Adiyogi, colorful lighting. I can't explain you what is happening. Adiyogi is being lit up. Also the jungle is lit up, as you can see. And after some time, you will see the sky is also lit up. There is lots of thunders that is happening. I don't know if you can see or not, but it's really fiery and thundery out here. यार दो लोग,
We are talking about Mystics of India. दो लोग बैसाख साहब जाहिद और स्ट्रिंग रिवील्स का विनोद अन्ना मिस्टिक्स ऑफ इंडिया चैनल चलाता है. अरे कोई नवीन शशांक नहीं होता,
कोई किसी को नहीं जान रहा है. और एक हिंट मिला था मेरे को, आप लोग को तो नहीं मिला होगा. कोई बोला स्नैप स्टोरीज करके,
वो सब झूठ है,
सब झूठ है भाई. कोई नहीं, मैं बहुत रिसर्च किया, अभी भी रिसर्च कर रहा हूं. रात हो गया भाई, मेरे को गिव अवे चाहिए.
गिव अवे दो, वरना हम मिस्टिक्स ऑफ इंडिया में ये वीडियो डालेगा. समझा क्या वीडियो? समझा क्या मिस्टिक्स? अपने का क्या, अपना वन
नया म्यूजिक जिसको याद हो वीडियो बना के भेजना.
So we are on the way back. अरे it is also, it's almost 11:30. सही है.
Reached Sir Pavasal and had a big meeting regarding tomorrow's Mahashivratri arrangement from E-Media section. It will be quite adventurous, and Sadhguru is there. Mahashivratri, what to say? Everybody knows it will be fire and meditations. Crazy. Let's see you tomorrow. Shiv Shambho. क्या आनंद भैया, इतने देर से कहाँ से आ रहे हो आप?
मैं वेन्यू से आ रहा हूँ ना.
वेन्यू से क्या, कौन सा वॉलंटियरिंग चल रहा है? 11 बज गया भैया, अभी तक नहीं कर रहे हैं साइन. कल महाशिवरात्रि है.
बस अभी थोड़ा ही बाकी है,
हो जाएगा. आप जल्दी आ गए. बैटरी
गॉट ओवर डिस्चार्ज.
तो आज सोना है, कल महाशिवरात्रि का तैयारी फुल.
हाँ, सदगुरु की दया.
अरे सदगुरु की दया बोलते, कल तो होके रहेगा फिर. नमस्कार.
It's almost 12:30. We'll take a shower. 12:30 a.m. We'll take a shower and then go to bed. Aila.